Hello friends, in this lecture we will see how to engrave any text over the surface, and for that I have this model which we have done. This is a pattern finishing model, and here my block is a triangular file which I have retrieved from the geometry. So next, first of all, I'm going to create a new pattern. So create pattern and right click, rename this, rename it. Okay, and now I'm going to edit this, and I want a text. It is not visible, hide this one, then only you will see. Okay, now select it, and here we have so many font. So which font do you want? Just go and select. So here I'm using this Telcam, and size is 10. It is a little bit bigger, so 8. And now we can drag it. Okay, and accept this text will create over the active work plane. So this is my active work plane, so it is here now, and I'm going to create a tool to engrave over this surface. So click here, and I'm going to use this tapered spherical, and the dia is 3, and tip radius I'm going to use as 3, and taper angle as 30, and the length near about 15. Add the shank and close. So this is my tool. Okay, so highlight it. This is the part, and a blank is a little bit bigger in upper face, which is 0.5. So it will drop over the surface, over the part surface, not over the blank surface. Okay, so this is my part. Now I'm going to create a pattern. The pattern is here. This text one is my pattern, and now select here, and I'm going to use this pattern finish. Click here, and work plane is block triangles, tool already decided, and pattern is my this text. Okay, I want to cut this text, and lower limit is automatically base portion, it will predict, and the pattern 0. See the preview, this is the preview. Okay, now I'm going to calculate it. Okay, here it is. Now close. Now I want to see the simulation. So this is, and the tool is second. Click here, and just play and reduce the speed because it will cut it very fast. Okay, just finish it. Let's see what happened. Only few words are dropped. Okay, so what is the reason? Can you imagine? Okay, I'm going to tell you. Just go, and if we have seen the previous video, there we have decided the limit, so it is considering this limit. If you will select this limit as a none, then only it will create the complete toolpath. Now we can see it. Just change it, and shading, and play. Okay, here we have the mode. Okay, so this will create and exit. See, here the engage lead in and lead out is not properly, and the tool is cutting the material when it is engaged, it is lead in and lead out. So I'm going to make some change here in lead in, and I am going to change it to ramp. Okay, and click ramp. My jig angle is 5, height is 1, accept, and same as lead out. Now calculate. Okay, see, now the tool is not cutting the any extra material. Okay, so in this way we can create any engraving operation here. And I just want to verify it. So here we have the verify toolpath. Okay, and accept. Okay, so this blue icon will show you the tool holder and safety parameters are okay. Okay, so this is the engraving operation with pattern finish.